Alright, good day guys. Today we are looking at Arclength. Today we're looking at Arclength and we are gonna do all three cases, so we're gonna focus mostly on case 3. Alright, so case 3, in this question it says given that the radius of the circle is 4.1 centimeters and the arc length is 12.3 centimeters. So here we have our drawing with the details. It says that the sector angle theta is equal to L over R. So theta is equal to 12.3 centimeters over 4.1 centimeters. So L is equal to, I move the decimal point back and I cancel the centimeters. So theta is equal to 123 over 41, which actually is 3, but since we're dealing with the radian formula, then theta is equal to 3 radian. Then B, for B, we want to check how much that is in degrees. So we say pi radian equals 180 degrees. So 3 radian equals x. Cross multiply, so x is equal to 3 radian times 180 degrees over pi radian, which is going to say x equals 540 over pi, because 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 8 is 24, so 4 carry the 2, 3 times 1 is 3 and 2 is 5, so that's how we get the 540. So from this point then we go to our number log table. So we have number log, 540 is 2.732 and pi is 0.497. So when I subtract, I say 2 minus 7 cannot go, so I borrow. So I borrow from the 3. The 3 will become a 2, and this becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 2 minus 9 cannot go again, so I borrow from the 7, which becomes 6, and that 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2, and 2 minus 0 is 2. So I antilog 0.235 times 10 to the second. Remember, the characteristic cannot be placed in the antilog itself unless it's an angle, and we're not looking for an angle. So that equals 1.72 times 10 to the second, which means that x is equal to 172 degrees to 3 significant figures. To check our work, we say, all right, theta, we use the other formula, which is the formula to find degrees. And so we say theta equal 360 times the arc length over 2 pi r, which is the radius. So theta equals 360 times 12.3 centimeters over 2 pi times times 4.1 centimeters. The centimeters obviously cancel. These move back and cancel out, 1 and 3. And of course 2 can go into 360 180 times. So theta is equal to 180 times 3 over pi, which is the same thing as this. So if we put it into the log table, we will get back the same value of 172 degrees to 3 significant figures. Now, obviously, your task, your quiz, whatever you want to call it, will contain one of these. Now, if you, and of course one of the either case 1 or 2. If you're having questions on this, I will try to upload one from case 1 or 2, but you can find it in the stream. I will try to, I know for the class of 2JN, it will be on the stream. For the other classes, I will try to share the video from those lessons to your class, okay? So, thank you very much. Hope you enjoy and hope this helps in doing your quiz.